Is AI the new rock and roll? It's got everyone buzzing. Every company wants to be the next headliner, and the stock market's just jamming to a beat of its own. But before you crowd surf into AI investments, let's rewind and drop some knowledge about tech trends and the market's rhythm over time. But before you throw your entire life savings into AI-powered toenail clippers, let's take a quick history lesson, shall we? Imagine a chart of the stock market over the last century dotted some of the history's biggest tech breakthroughs. Right up here. We're talking about electricity, the automobile, the internet, game changers, each and every one. See those spikes on that chart? Those are moments of excitement, just like the AI frenzy we're seeing now. But notice what happens afterwards. The market doesn't always go straight to the moon. Sometimes it takes a breather or a nosedive. Remember the dot-com bubble? Everyone thought they were going to be overnight millionaires. Then boom. The point is, even the most groundbreaking tech doesn't guarantee instant riches. It takes time for the real-world impact to catch up with the hype. Just think about the internet. It took decades for its true potential to unfold. Remember dial-up? Right? Now, we're streaming movies on our phones. So what does this mean for AI? Well, it's the Wild West out there. We're just scratching the surface of what AI can do, and that's both exciting and uncertain. So before you go all in on AI stocks, remember, history teaches us that innovation and investing are a marathon, not a sprint. Stay informed, be patient, and don't let the hype cloud your judgment. It's impossible to ignore the AI buzz these days, right? It's like everyone's trying to sprinkle a little AI fairy dust on their stocks, and boom, instant market magic. And sure, tech stocks have been partying like it's 1999. But hold your horses before you jump in on the AI hype train. Because here's the kicker. It's not just tech stocks raking in the dough this year. Utilities, energies, financials, they're all getting a piece of the pie. Why? Well, partly because of this whole interest rate dance with the Fed. But also, there's a growing belief that AI isn't just a tech thing. It's about to revolutionize every industry. Remember the internet? Back in the 90s, everyone was obsessed with a handful of dot-com darlings. But over time, the real benefits of the internet spread far and wide. It wasn't just about those early tech giants. It was about how the internet transformed everything, from shopping to banking to healthcare. That's the big picture here, folks. AI isn't just about shiny new gadgets and buzzwords. It's about fundamental shift in how we do business, how we live our lives, and that's going to take some time to play out. So what's the takeaway? Keep your eyes on the long game. Don't get too caught up in the AI hype. Remember, the real winners are often the ones who play the long game, not just the one that chased the latest fad. We all know the AI is the hot new buzzword. But let's cut through the hype and get down to what really matters for investors like you. Productivity. Think about it. Better tech means companies and workers can do more with less. It's like giving them superpowers. And that's a key to long-term economic growth. The internet revolution turbocharged productivity for knowledge workers. And now AI could be the next big leap. Imagine AI as the grand finale of the information age, a symphony of smarter tools and streamlined processes. But hold your horses. Before you go all in on AI stocks, let's get real. Predicting the future is tricky business, and AI's full impact is still a bit of a mystery. Some folks think it's going to lead to robots taking over the world. Others believe it's just a fancy set of tools that need the right applications. Truth is, it's probably somewhere in the middle. And like any major innovation, it'll take time for the dust to settle. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a thriving economy. So what's a savvy investor to do? Keep your portfolio diversified. That way, you'll be benefiting from exciting potential of AI while also tapping into the steady growth of other sectors. It's like having your cake and eating it too. This is just the tip of the iceberg, but I hope these insights have sparked some ideas. Let's chat more about how to navigate the exciting world of AI. Hit me up anytime.